Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Avid Media Composer with iLok License Manager, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that the iLok License Manager is installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the iLok website to download the software. Once downloaded, follow the installation prompts to set it up. Open the iLok License Manager application after installation is complete. Log into your iLok account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Connect your iLok USB dongle to your computer if you are using a physical iLok. For software licenses, ensure you are connected to the internet. Navigate to the Licenses tab in the iLok License Manager interface. Here, you'll see a list of licenses associated with your account. Find the Avid Media Composer license in the list. If the license is not present, you may need to purchase or activate it. Once you locate the license, right-click on it to reveal the options. Select Activate to authorize the license to your iLok. Choose the specific iLok device where you want to store the license. Confirm your selection and proceed with the activation process. Once activated, the license will appear under the selected iLok device. Next, launch Avid Media Composer on your computer. If prompted, enter your credentials again to sign in. Media Composer should automatically detect the activated license on your iLok. If it does not, restart the application to refresh the license recognition. Now, you can start using Avid Media Composer with the authorized license. If you encounter any issues, check your iLok License Manager for errors. Make sure your iLok is properly connected and recognized by your computer. Also, ensure that your software is up to date to support the latest licenses. With these steps, you should be ready to work on your project seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.